Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I have here the SOB slider from FidgetThings, sliding on a budget. I got the premium slider with PEI, the Ultim body, and the colored titanium little XE thingy. So let's see how it looks. Because, you know, you can't really get a preview, or too much of a preview on the website, but let's see. Oh my god, something just fell. I don't know what that was. I don't know what that was. Oh look, here's the free Digit the Fidget in, like, marshmallow yellow. He looks like a marshmallow. Okay. There is, what's here at the bottom? Oh, my address. Let's not do that. Okay. Please read. Do not over tighten middle screw. Doing so could cause it to protrude and or bulge top of slider. I plan to offer alternative body styles in the future as toppable components, as well as the different cage materials. Thank you for trying the SOB slider. Please share your thoughts and opinions with me directly or to the community. Current magnet configuration is a 6x2 and 52 magnets. If you have the tuning kit, you can add a magnet to the pocket on top of the existing and simply put the O-ring in the pocket besides the magnet. For a weaker feel, you can use a single magnet from the tuning kit in the center 4 pockets on one or both sides of the slider. This slider can also be changed to a 2-click variant using the other array of pockets. Okay, I want to open this. Cooperate with me. Please. Okay. Yeah, I gotta open it. That would help. All right. Ooh, it's light. That's kind of cool. There's the titanium, the flashes. It's very lightweight. And we're gonna get the weight of it exactly. Let's see how it slides. It's bulky. Let's see how thick it is. I believe I got the stainless steel plates. Hey, at least he didn't use the flathead screws for these. That's awesome. This feels good to, oh no, I just lost it. It fell on the ground. Okay, this feels good to slide. It's got these, like, okay. It's got these nice little thunks. It's really grippy. It's like super grippy. Is it super grippy? Am I lying? Yeah, it's a grippy. It's a grippy, my brain says. I like it. I wasn't expecting much, but it's cool. FidgetThings comes up with some neat stuff. If I had the money, I would have gone for the crystal titanium. But I am I don't make much money. I really don't. I get paid not much. I barely, like, yeah. So fidgets, that's why I don't really get Magnus stuff. I wish I could. I mean, I got some Magnus stuff for the 10-day crazy sale. I got lucky and I bought a couple things, but now I'm really broke. I mean, who knows when this video will go up, so who knows what's relevant, but... Alright, I dropped it. It's really nice. I really had to, like... mess with it a bit. Alright, let's... It's addicting. Even though... Ah! Caught it. Even though it's bulky. Even though it's a chunky boy. It's nice. And it weighs just 40 grams. Let's compare that to the other sliders that I'm carrying with me. The Wrapped. 78 grams. Ah! The Kuko Web. 102.71 grams. Damn, this is a heavy boy. And, I'm also carrying the Cadbury. 121. Ooh, I went up in order. I love that. Alright, so let us, I guess, start some... Oh, no. Before we do that. Let's finish with the stats. $46.2 by 30.2 by 17.9. Trying to get in the middle of the X. Let's just do it this way. 17.8 or 17.9 millimeters, not milligrams. All right, let's do some visual comparisons. It's chonky. It's big. Like even, let's see. Yeah, the crack. The crack is also a little bit chonky. No, it's about this. It's... Ooh, they stand. $14.5. No way. $14.5. But it looks like the crack is thicker. That's wild. Okay. Wait, and how thick was this again? 17.8. Damn. Okay. Ouchies. They're can't talk. They're both very quick on the downswing. Look at this little jackknife. Okay, I gotta not press from the middle. Or do that. Why did I do that? I like it. I like it. It feels good. It's like so light but so quick. I mean, sliding on a budget, I mean, this got pretty expensive. It ended up being like 100 something, but so it's not much of a budget, but his other ones, he's got like little tiny ones that are like green, red, blue, whatever, and those look like they're really on a budget. But these premium ones, I don't know if I would call them sliding on a budget per se, because they start at the low hundreds. So yeah, I don't this one like goes in a lot faster, I guess because it's so heavy. So like the choom is a lot, there's less stops. It just slides, it just glides right through. God, I love this web. Anyway, no, do I have to? No, okay. Thought I had to stop the video, but I don't. Okay. So let's check out the magnets. Nope. Nope. T8 maybe? Where are you, T8? This doesn't look like T8. It is T8. It is T8, okay. I thought it was T6, but I'm blind. T8 it be. Oh, I put the wrong side on. Okay. All right. And he said not to screw in the screw too much, or it will warp the backside. Okay, so let's see here. Interesting. So that's the magnets, and they're held in by this like little cage thingy. And these O-rings. So I can make it a 2-click if I moved them to here, here, and here. That's how you make it a 2-click. I do like it silent. Some nice fabric stuff right there, I guess, to help silence it, smooth it out. Alright. Well, that was cool. So that's the inside of it. Wait, were there like smaller magnets, or are they all the same size? I don't remember. My memory sucks. Alright, there it is. Okay. Time to whoop. Screw it back in. Huh, okay. I'm like feeling, sorry, I'm just seeing if I screwed it in enough. I hope I did. Alright. Anyway, sorry for the moment of silence. I like spaced out there. Okay. Hope I didn't lose you guys. Yeah, so I am seeing if I'm like scratching the plates with the screws, because if I am, then I didn't screw it in enough. That would be a crappy way to find out. Choom, choom. So I'm giving this an A+, because I really like this. I'm gonna carry this for a bit. I wonder if I should make it crunchy. I do not know. Maybe I will. But I kind of like it as it is right now. Sorry. I don't know if I got too much sleep or not enough sleep or whatever, but I'm just like a little goofy right now, I guess. So, okay. I'm fine. Let me know what you think about this sliding on a budget. Do you guys have one? Because this is fucking sweet, man. I like recommend it. He doesn't really have, like, as of this moment, I don't know when I'm posting this video, but as of this moment when I'm recording this video, which is September 28th, he only has the Ultim and the crystal bodies, but hopefully he'll like, oh my god, hopefully he'll come up with or replenish the old bodies, and you can have more options. But yeah, I don't know. But even the Ultim one is like fabulous. This is great. It feels awesome. Let me know your thoughts. Do you like it? Do you like the sound of it? Do you want one? Do you have one? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Why are my fingers turning black? That's weird. Is it because of the titanium? That's so strange. Okay, anyway. I guess this is going on for a little bit. I hope you guys liked this video, even though it was a little spacey. I hope you guys hung around for it. That would be awesome. If you guys like this video or like me, please like and subscribe. It really helps. And I hope you guys are having a fantastic time and just being fantastic. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Have a great one. I am struggling to, oh my gosh. All right. Have a great one, guys. See ya next time. Bye.